Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Discover with Kim. I'm Kim. I'm so excited to see you here and that you have found me. This is my first full-length video. It is a nature video, so it will include a hike through the woods a little bit, and then I go and I explore an old-time castle. It's a small old castle that's open to the public. I go around inside it and kind of just check it out. It's pretty cool, so without further ado, here you go. Exactly. Where'd you go, chipmunk friend?
I don't know how we got here, but alright. Run over there,
Kick that ball.
kick that ball, and just go, Ronaldo! Ronaldo for the goal! Readjusting.
Oh, you should take a picture of me from, like, I want to be... Oh, cool. Here we go. I'm sorry. Hey. Damn. Got some goosebumps, huh? You can feel them?
Yeah, I can.
Hello. Excuse us? Bringing up more trash. This is cool. Of course you would. I said, of course you would. Because I know what you're trying to trick me into.
What?
Ghost hunting.
Huh?
Ghost hunting.
I'll do my backup job too.
I was going to say, you're going to end up being a ghost hunter, and I'm going to end up being like a nature advocate.
Nutri-Grain bar, and Orbit gum.
I know, that's what got me the most. Right next to the castle, like
Gatorade bottles, mine though. So.
Literally, there's trash cans and recycle cans everywhere. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure you noticed that the leaves on the trees in the videos were changing colors, and that in it I actually mentioned the season fall. That is correct. This video was actually recorded back last fall. I have just never gotten around to posting it yet. It is now spring, almost summertime. It is the middle of June, so it's a little delayed, but it's a really cool hike, so I figured I would post it anyways, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, because this is, like I said, my first full-length video, so that would help a lot. Give me a follow if you're interested in seeing what else I get up to, or in discovering other things, and leave a comment if you have anything you want to say. Thank you guys so much. I cannot wait to see you until my next video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Go out there and go discover. Bye.